Yee! What's going down? Name's JD, owner of Part of the Culture. And right now I'm at my vending machine warehouse. This is where I store machines that aren't in use. Just had a meeting and showed off a couple of machines. Hopefully I'm able to sell a snack and a drink machine. But what I wanted to talk about today is things that helped me get into the vending machine business that not a lot of people talk about. And the first principle is really, how was I able to get this warehouse? And so I don't think that people use social media enough to get themselves out of there, because what happens is just like this post, I posted on social media and I show the behind the scenes and I show people what I'm doing. And from that, I actually had a guy who owns a vending machine company reach out to me, and he said, "Hey, are you able to help me manage my vending machine route?" And so right there, because of social media, I had the opportunity to manage his route, and I had first dibs at buying his location. I managed his location for about 6 months to a year. I didn't wind up buying it because I'm still paying off my vending machine business, but because of social media, I had the opportunity to buy a pretty good, I think he had 20 machines. He had about 10 locations. So I had first access to that because of social media. So the first principle is really make sure that you're on social media and you're showing your business and you're showing what you do, because that can open up more doors for you. The second thing is by me helping people is really how I got into the vending machine business. How I got into it is my business partner. I was doing a real estate fix and flip, and my business partner actually came to the fix and flip, and I gamed him up. I told him how I got involved. I told him everything I knew about how to get involved in fix and flips. This was before he even had the vending machine business. But once he had the opportunity to buy the business, because I had helped him out, he gave me the opportunity to get involved in the vending machine business. And that's how I was able to, I became a silent partner, and that was my introduction to the vending machine business. The next thing with me is I fully immersed myself. So once I had the opportunity to get in the door, I was a silent partner. I went on routes with him. I went on trips, and I actually documented the whole thing and showed the behind the scenes. And that's how I was able to build my brand and build up. And it's crazy because that's now how I'm able to sell machines. I literally had I had one meeting already, and I have a second meeting today, but it's really touching on the first principle. But by showing the process and showing everything, now I'm able to sell vending machines, and I'm still able to keep myself in the conversation. It's called top of mind. When you create content like this, you become top of mind. So really it's two principles that are kind of offbeat. And the first principle is use social media to show what you're doing. Even if you don't have a vending machine location, man, you can show like, hey, I'm looking for vending machines. This is what I found out today. Like, I have a kid here, and it's like he could make content. He could say, hey, I just looked at a couple of vending machines. This is what I learned today. So you don't always have to own everything. You can show the whole process. You can show where you're at in the process. You can show just like, you could take pictures. There's so much you can do. And by that, now you're showing potential people. Once you get a vending machine, now people are starting to follow your journey, and then you could have some of the success that I have. Somebody will hit you up like, hey, I know a guy over here who has a vending machine for sale. It puts you out there. It puts you top of mind. And the second thing is continue to not lead with money, but lead with helping people, because just the fact, like, even as I'm here, I'm almost mentoring the kid. Just by helping him out, he's going to be more inclined to do business with me, to tell me about different opportunities. I'm actually learning from the kid, which is crazy. So by giving people the game, they give the game back. But that's the second principle. Don't just lead with money, but really try to help out your community, and your community will try to help you out once it's time for a deal to happen or for something to happen. So those are the two things that really helped me get involved in the vending machine business. That I know people talk about social media, but I just wanted to give my story and show you how I was able to get here and how I find deals just from using these different processes. I have a new book available. The link is in my bio, or you can go to partoftheculture.com. I think I still have a discount going on, but what's cool is it comes with 3 different bonuses. The first bonus is we get a 15-minute mastermind call. We literally hop on a call for 15 minutes, and you can pick my brain on any questions you have around the vending machine topic or any topic. But the second bonus is I made a video on how to secure a location, how to find locations, how to buy routes. So instead of just buying a machine and placing it, I have a way for you to buy routes. And then I just teach you how to find locations to put vending machine, how to go into Google Maps, what to look for, how to redefine the search. So if you're interested, that's the second bonus. And the third bonus is scripts on exactly what to say when you find a location that you're interested in, what to say to the people in order for you to get your vending machine in that location. So the book and the bonuses are all available at partoftheculture.com. Just click the link, grab your copy today. And then once your email comes through from the sale, I will reach out to you personally. I'll send you all the bonuses and we'll have a conversation. I hope this was helpful. Follow me on Instagram at partoftheculture.com. My name's JD. Have a blessed day. Keep hustling.